Doverbroeks has so many different places for you to experience, and it allows you to meet new people, but also there's a strong academic focus, and I thought that was actually a great opportunity.
Bucksmore Young Professionals is a career-based program aimed at students who would like to develop their vocational knowledge and achieve their career aspirations.
This is a beautiful place for interacting, learning new things, and making a decision about your career path that you want to follow. I think it's amazing.
Wasn't thinking of becoming a forensic scientist, but after taking this course, I think that it's something that I really like, and I'm gonna look into it in the future.
You can go into architecture, business and enterprise, national law, medicine, and you can really get to choose what you don't like, what you like, and have a better idea what to do with your future.
So within every career stream selected by the students, they have several types of lessons and activities. They have about 10 hours of theory lessons, and then they also have 6 hours of practical sessions. So that's really something that I think empowers our students and stimulates them to selecting their careers for the future. So I think that's the best aspect of the program here.
My favorite lesson has been today's lesson actually. We went to the lab, we got to see through the microscope, we got to go outside and find leaves and flowers and see them from inside the microscope.
I cut open an eye, so that was really interesting, but a little bit disgusting.
A very good aspect of young professionals is that, of course, they need to select a career stream, but it doesn't have to be just one. So by spending 2 or 3 or 4 weeks with us, they get to also experiment and try different career streams at the same time.
I'm doing 2 weeks medicine and another 2 weeks of business and enterprise. Because I'm 16 years old, I have 2 more years to go to finish high school. So I'm just testing what to do after that.
One of the key aspects of the syllabus of Bucksmore Young Professionals is that students are assigned a project every week which is related to their own stream selection, and so they have a certain amount of hours of project preparation, and by the end of the week there is the project presentation on Sunday evening.
My favorite aspect of my course is probably presentations, because I really love doing public speaking, and we learned new techniques, new vocabulary, how to look people in the eye, pronunciation, so it was really fun.
The ultimate aim of the Young Professionals programs is to challenge and expand the students' knowledge of English language understanding by focusing on topic-specific vocabulary and putting language into practice. One of the key ways we help students to achieve this is through the weekly projects, which see students communicating in English with one another.
We had a lot of fun doing the project, but it was something really serious as well. And our teachers, they were so supportive of us. They were always telling us where to find information, so yeah, it was actually really cool.
Of course, every Bucksmore Centre has a dedicated activity manager who takes care of all the activities and excursion for the programme. The main 2 days of excursions of the programme, one on Thursday, which is the Study in Action, and one on Saturday, which takes our students to visit some of the most important places in England.
We went to London. We got to tour around, see amazing buildings. Generally, the excursions are amazing because we get to bond with the people around us.
The best aspect of my job here with Bucksmore is certainly living alongside the students, seeing all the variety of nationalities and personalities of students that we get.
Seeing all these different type of people interact, it's amazing and it's really exciting. All the new knowledge that they give you, their traditions, their vocabulary, their language, their alphabet.
It's everything with everybody together. And that's a really good feeling. Like, you go to the store with your friends, you eat with your friends, and you have lots of free time activities with your friends.
Everything has been so good, the people, the subjects, the courses, everything. I'm really looking forward to coming back.
That's the core of what it means to be part of a Bucksmore program. So high quality academics, enjoyable experience, fun activities, and a great across-the-board variety of nationalities and students and experiences from all over the world.